Can you believe it's already May? This year's flying by. They tend to do that, don't they? Especially when we're busy. Hope you're staying busy. I certainly am. Creating a lot of content, videos, of course, like this one, as well as the written word. Continue to put out my blog posts Mondays and Fridays. Hope you're enjoying those. Do share what you think about them. I've been toying with a number of things with the written stories, trying to stay in that overarching realm of maker, but you seem to respond well to the introspective philosophical bents that I take occasionally. So I've really been trying to continue growing on those concepts and sharing a bit more from the heart stuff about my experience with making and life in general. It feels good to do it. Thanks for reading. As far as the videos go, I've been trying a few different things there too. There are, I would say, 3 different formats that I've created for my full-length builds. The first one was just film and talk and trying to set it all up in one take, basically, and then splicing all those various segments together into the full-length build. That didn't seem to work too well, and it was really challenging to set up those shots and be ready to go. It's time consuming trying to think what you're going to say and build what you're going to do. It probably doubles the time. So I've moved away from that. A couple of other ones that I've tried are, one that I really like is a basic setup and then very little talking throughout the video, just allowing the work, the images, the techniques to speak for themselves, and throw in some nice music, hopefully, to tie it all together. I like that one. I don't know. It's hard to gauge because I'm doing different subject matter with each of these different videos. It's comparing apples to oranges sometimes. So the response I get on those, good or bad, could be related to the way the video was shot, or it could be related to the content, or both. But the more and more of these that I do, hopefully I'll build a collective set of data that I can use to better determine what works. The other way that I did it, and one of my recent videos, on the table saw insert, I basically did a talking head kind of thing like this, and then spliced in video of the various steps of the procedure the whole way. So to recap that, 3 different kinds of videos. One where I just talk and work at the same time and then put all those clips together. Really onerous. Alternative, not talking at all, hardly, just the clips of me working, speaking for themselves with just a little basic setup at the beginning. And then the third one is kind of this talking head with the video over top. Do you have a preference for those? Of those 3, I'd say the one in the middle with the work speaking for itself is my favorite, but we'll see. I'll keep at it, have several coming out. You should have seen one that will have been released on Friday. I'm filming this in advance. This is coming out on the 1st. That was a short. It was a fun little one on pop rivets. I have another one coming out next week on Jabba's palace that I built. I featured it as one of my portfolio projects on my website. You can see it there. I decided to finally do a demo of it. And even though I built this project before I started doing this YouTube channel, I did take a lot of still images. So I did the talking head kind of thing and spliced in the images throughout the discussion. Tell me what you think of that one too. There are a number of projects that I built in the past that I'd like to share interspersed with new projects over time. It might be a good way to continue to provide stuff of interest to people following along on this channel. Okay, May's going to be busy, lots going on here. Spring is in full bloom. Hope you're getting a chance to be outside. I might incorporate a few more outdoorsy maker projects and/or videos as time allows. We'll see how that goes too. But yeah, having fun, keeping busy making. Hope you're having a good time too. Take care.